In this video, I'm going to show you guys the 6 basic and cheapest video accessories that you need as a small creator, as a small YouTuber, especially if you live in a third world country or even in Africa where it is hard to come by some of these brand and expensive video accessories. So let's go. Now, you know what they say, that people can tolerate bad video but cannot tolerate bad audio. So I'm going to start with a microphone. Now, if you're filming either on your smartphone or on a DSLR, it is important that you get a good, decent microphone for your audio needs as you make your content. Now, the first one I would recommend is this shotgun microphone that I found on Alibaba for only $8. Now, this shotgun microphone is unidirectional, meaning that it will only capture sound which is in front of it, which is really good for talking headshots like the one that I'm doing right now. The most amazing thing about this is that it is powered by 2 AA batteries, and it has 2 features that I love so much. It has a switch on top, the cardioid and the super cardioid function, that if your subject is a bit far away from you, say 10 meters, you can simply switch to super cardioid and be able to get high quality sound even when you're filming from outside. Number 2, a lapel microphone. Now, there are 2 types of lapel microphones here. The first one is $3 only, and this one is one that you plug into your smartphone on the USB pad. You put the transmitter there, and then you can put the lapel on your shirt or on your subject's shirt. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that there is no transmission interference. It is so affordable and it is so easy to use. The other one I would recommend is this amazing set from Green Audio. It is only $43, and this is a wireless lapel set that you can use, especially if you're doing interviews or if you're talking to other people where like a shotgun microphone might not really work. The beautiful thing, this mic is powered by 2 AA batteries. That means that you can get rechargeable batteries anywhere, and have power to go. And also it has over 30 channels that you can choose from to pair. And again, the transmission length is about 20 meters, meaning that you can be filming people who are walking and talking from as far as 20 meters away from you. Only $43. I'll leave a link to all these amazing products below this video. Number 3, the most important thing you need as a small creator is a decent light. Now, there are 2 types of lights here. There's a portable light, and it is very cheap and affordable. And the beautiful thing is that you can put this on top of your camera, and it is powered by a battery that lasts about 2 hours. And it has, and it has a range of about 3,000 to 400 when it comes to color brightness. That means that you can take this light anywhere you go to film outside in low light situations and having not to worry about lighting your scene. The other light is the studio light. Now, this light is amazing because these are the lights that people use as the main light when they're making YouTube videos or podcasts. Now, this light comes with an umbrella so that it diffuses some of the light, and it has a very wide range of brightness from 3,500 to about 400 to about 4,500. One thing I like about this light is that it is 150 watts. It is a very strong light, but you can always dim it, and it comes with a remote control. The other thing that you need, I think should be like the 4th one on this list, is that you need a smartphone rig. Now, a smartphone rig, looks something like this. It is something that you can mount your microphone and your light, and having to film where you put your smartphone in the middle. Now, the beautiful thing about this, it is handheld, and it is so easy for you to stabilize because you can simply raise your shoulders on yourself as you are filming. Now, this is very cheap as well. It's only $12, and I've had this in my arsenal for like 4 years now. I use it in conferences and everywhere. And the beautiful thing is that you can actually mount this on a tripod, which is going to lead me to the other piece of equipment that you need. You need a tripod. Now the beautiful thing about a tripod is that you can film yourself, and if you are filming either be it a conference or like anything for a long period of time, you can simply put your camera on the tripod and have it film and not worry about, you know, holding it and getting tired and jittery as you are filming using handheld. Now this tripod is only $13 and it is made of aluminum. It is quite durable, and I've had this in my arsenal as a content creator for like a year now. I actually had several, but I gave away some and also sold some to a few clients. So you cannot really do away without a tripod as a small content creator. Now the last on this list, you need a vlogging tripod. Now the beautiful thing about a vlogging tripod is that this vlogging tripod comes with the whole shoe mount for you to put the microphone and the light on the side, and you know it is long enough, you know, for even like when you extend your arm as you are filming yourself, it is easy to be in the frame even as you film. Now this is very cheap and it's only about $5, and there are so many of them. The range is between even $5 to $10 depending on the brand and also depending on how long the manufacturer has been in business. So guys, these are some of the basic things that you need as a content creator.